Welcome to Cooking with the Jaguars, fueled by Tico People's Gas. I have Jaguars player Dawuane Smoot here with me today. I'm Chef Tony from the Publix Aprons Cooking School, and we are focusing on tailgate food. I want to hear from you, right? What's one of your number one tailgate food items?
One of my number one tailgate food items are definitely wings, and one of my favorite sauces is definitely sweet Thai chili. I'm looking for a little bit of sweet and a little bit of spicy. So.
All right, would you like the sweet better or the spicy better?
I would definitely say the sweet a little bit more because I also like honey barbecue too. So I mean that's like my second flavor.
Right.
So I'm riding a little bit more on the sweet side. So.
All right, so if we were to think of some heat, what kind of spices would you use to maybe put some heat in some things?
I would say a little bit of cayenne pepper, like we're using today. A little bit of hot sauce. Definitely use red hot sauce a lot when it comes to my chicken wings. So, I mean, like a little bit of heat, but not too much.
This was inspired by a couple of dishes that we've made in class. One of them is called a Doro Wat.
Doro Wat. What exactly is a Doro Wat?
I'm glad you asked that question. What it is, it's a African-based chicken stew. And it starts with a bear paste, and we're gonna show how that really sticks to that wing and how we make that happen, all right?
All right, excited, let's go.
You'll grab that bear paste and put in there.
Okay.
Just put all of it in there for me.
Got it.
Oh, yeah, and then stir it around a little bit. You're gonna start smelling the spices coming up too.
Yeah, it's definitely smelling.
Now, what's key to this, right, in natural gas, is this even heating that's going on in this pan, which provides an even toasting of all those spices. All right, we open that the tomato sauce and put some of that in there for me too. Just a big heavy squeeze. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got some hard-boiled eggs as well.
Throw them in there too?
Yeah, put everything in.
Everything in.
Everything in.
All right.
Now look, we are almost there. There's some chicken stock next to you. If you'll open that up, we're gonna pour 1/4 of a cup in that. So mix them around a little bit and then put the lid on it. So we'll let these cook for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll come back and take them out, chill them, then we'll go back into our fryer and then we'll finish that sauce off and toss them.
Download this recipe and find out more information about natural gas and available energy conservation rebates at peoplesgas.com/cooking.